But this is a test. Got to test it out. Well. Okay. I lost my camera for a second. I was like, what the heck? Okay. All right. So I won't be able to see your comments when I'm driving, so I'm not ignoring you. I've got to test it out. I'm working on a headset to hear those, but don't have that right now. So anyway, let's see if this works. You will notice a couple things. You will notice a map, a altitude indicator, which doesn't really matter much around here, but I'm just testing it out. What elevation we're at, the city we're in currently, the direction I'm facing, the temperature outside, and of course the time. So with that, let's see what we got. And like I said, I can't see the comments, which is good because I'm driving, but I will have.
Make a U-turn, then turn right on River Fern Drive.
Yes, thank you, Waze. Actually, I'm going to go straight anyway. So.
Turn right on Horseshoe Drive, then turn right on Firewheel Parkway.
Okay. All right, we got to work on that.
Turn right on Firewheel Parkway. Stay to the left, then turn left on Firewheel Parkway.
So what I'm hoping is.
Turn left on Firewheel Parkway. Turn right on State Highway 78, Levon Drive.
All right, so what I'm hoping is, that this will be good for storm chasing, obviously. And I don't have all my data yet. Multiple data streams, I should say. So that is coming. But I'm testing out several things. The camera is actually the same as I've had before. Working on maybe swapping that out. The microphone is something I haven't used in the car, so hopefully you can hear me pretty good. I was testing it out earlier, so I think you can, hopefully. And the main thing is the encoder. Hopefully, like I said, right now I'm just using my cell phone as a hotspot, but I'm hoping to get another dedicated data line from another provider. That way, when Verizon is in a bad cell area, then I'll still have some redundancy, and hopefully, for example, if I had an AT&T data plan, that would pick up the slack, and you wouldn't see a bunch of nothing, because that makes people tune out, which I would do. So a work in progress for sure, but this is part of the testing process to where I can find out what I need to tweak when the real thing happens, which hopefully not from a bad weather standpoint, but hopefully pretty soon. Or from a destruction standpoint, but hopefully just getting to see some storms.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right on Bunker Hill Road. In 1/2 mile, use the right lane to turn right.
And I don't normally have Waze on voice, but I'm using it right now to test out the volume.
Turn right on Bunker Hill Road.
And the other thing I think is the camera I'm using doesn't do well in darkness.
In 3.7 miles, turn left on Filson Lane.
Now some cameras, the fancier cameras, like heck, even the iPhone, will compensate for low light. I don't know that this camera will do that, although I'll have to play around with it. It's just a GoPro knockoff, so it's not anything, terribly fancy. So if you're just tuning in, a couple things, just a test of some new equipment I got, mainly my data encoder, which hopefully will help the stream. Although this is the first time I'm multi-streaming with it, so hopefully the quality's not too bad. That's the first thing I'll probably look at when I get home. Hopefully if this works, with the data stream being better and maybe adding a data plan, another carrier other than my Verizon hotspot, then hopefully that'll make it even better. And got some new graphics at the bottom, temperature, city. They seem to have been working before, so map, so hopefully they are still. And if you've left a comment, I I haven't got the talk to text, not talk to text, comment to audio, I guess you could say, in my ear, the chat. So I'm working on that. So that'll hopefully be another part of it. So when I'm actually out there, chasing storms, I can hear it in my ear and then answer your question verbally, as opposed to looking at it when I'm driving, which I don't really do. Not supposed to. And for all I know, this is not working, so who knows? But we're going to give it a shot. But that's why I'm testing it. So if there are bugs, then I can figure out what they are and fix it. Oh, this is interesting. Oh. Well, hope everybody's okay.
In 1,000 feet, turn left. Then turn left. Turn left on Filson Lane. Then turn left on Aiken Trail. Turn left on Country Club Drive. Then turn left on Aiken Trail. Turn left on Aiken Trail. In 900 feet, turn left on Aldridge Drive.
All right, well, we'll wrap this particular test up and see what's going on, and then we